Discover the transformative power of Master Affiliate Profits, MAP, bolstered by the unparalleled advantages of aligning with Dori O'Neill. Embarking on this journey not only boosts your revenue possibilities but also propels you toward unmatched achievements in the competitive realm of affiliate marketing. Let's delve into the unique opportunity that awaits. At its core, the Master Affiliate Profits platform is innovatively designed to catapult your affiliate marketing ventures to the pinnacle of success. Tailored for novices and veterans alike, MAP becomes your arsenal filled with cutting-edge tools, exhaustive training modules, and indispensable resources, all aimed at significantly augmenting your online earnings. MAP stands out thanks to its multifaceted features. Beyond advanced marketing strategies and a wealth of training materials, it simplifies campaign operations with its suite of automated tools. Delve deeper, and you'll find an enriching mix of exclusive webinars led by industry maestros, real-time, hands-on support for your every query, and a vibrant community of ambitious marketers. This communion of resources and minds is your ticket to scaling new heights in affiliate marketing. Underlining the benefits of joining MAP through Dori O'Neill, the gateway to extraordinary privileges swings wide open when you join through Dori O'Neill's affiliate link. Picture this: a prime $5,000 YouTube viral funnel bestowed upon you without cost. It's not merely a utility, it's your powerhouse to widen your digital footprint and elevate your affiliate commissions to realms unimagined. Casting an eye towards 2025, Dori's strategic emphasis on amplifying Tier 2 commissions heralds a win-win scenario. This dynamic is pivotal. As you flourish on the MAP platform earning Tier 1 commissions, Dori garners Tier 2 commissions. This symbiotic strategy is meticulously crafted to enhance your sales efficacy, ensuring mutual prosperity. Dori O'Neill's unwavering dedication to affiliates. With unwavering resolve, Dori's mission is to fortify you when you enroll in MAP through his affiliate link with the ability to maximize your Tier 1 commissions. His unparalleled support infrastructure, punctuated by personalized mentoring, top-tier traffic generation methodologies, and the viral funnel, obliterates barriers to attracting and converting leads. Showcasing Dori's exclusive support system. Finding an affiliate ally with the dedication of Dori O'Neill is a rarity in the vast oceans of affiliate marketing. Where most platforms lay down the basic framework and retreat, Dori's approach is revolutionary. He invests in your success, ensuring you're equipped with every conceivable tactic, tool, and tidbit of knowledge to outstrip your income objectives. The clock is ticking on this unparalleled opportunity to revolutionize your affiliate marketing journey. Why wait when you could be seizing the moment? Propel your potential into tangible, thriving success with Master Affiliate Profits. Act now. Embark on your exploratory test drive, absolutely free, by visiting yesshowme.com/map. Experience the life-changing impact of Dori O'Neill's exceptional support on your pathway to affiliate magnificence. Can you feel the surge of excitement for this remarkable opportunity? Don't merely observe, engage. Like, comment, and subscribe for a cascade of insightful updates. Integrate into our thriving community and stay at the forefront of affiliate marketing innovations. Your saga of success begins today. Thank you for dedicating your time to embark on this enlightening journey with us. In the realm of Master Affiliate Profits, augmented by Dori O'Neill's mentorship, There are no ceilings, only skies wide open with potential. Venture inside, and together, let's navigate towards fulfilling your grandest affiliate marketing ambitions. Farewell, and here's to crafting your legacy with the most holistic support in the affiliate marketing sphere. Goodbye, and embark on this journey with vigor. Most importantly, take action right now. Take Dori's free test drive. Don't wait, do it now.